they are playing music, so I will be ending. I'll stop this video because I'll get copy. I think I got a headache. I don't know if I will be able to do this. Canoeing. Oh, I got a headache. Low alcohol level. This Jack Daniel, which I ended up taking, has got only, where in South Africa, it would be having 40. £5 for four. I really like beer. Some people use appetizer to dilute whisk. Just maybe.
Can't see it.
This and this is the vegetable section. There's only one type of vegetable, not this one. Gone up. This one is not yellow and it's £1. I'll have that one. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
We'll need to approve this item. Please continue. Please tap or insert your payment card. Payments accepted. Thanks for shopping at
It's dark, guys. I'm testing this camera and I can confirm that it really feels like it's daytime. I can, after all the hassle, very small and handy. with more working out and less oh my god, the queue that is here, the traffic. So I ordered something else, a small mount for £8. That mount will allow me to time simultaneously. That's a good move, I guess, and I hope it's going to make me, because I'm not going to stop recording videos at all. I'm getting, the more videos I'm going to be recording. It's a very big interchange. They must put a circle there. They must put a circle because it's super dope big. Oh. Christmas time. So with the number of lights, with the level of decoration that they do here in UK, you can feel it that it's Christmas. Much more than we feel Christmas back home. Forgot to switch off one light in the corner where someone is gonna come and find